Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will demonstrate how to modify and utilize the scale ratio feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you are reviewing architectural blueprints, engineering schematics, or simply require precise data from your PDF files, understanding the scale ratio tool is a fundamental skill. Let's get started. First, open your document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once the file is ready, head to the upper left corner and select the All Tools tab. This opens up the full suite of Acrobat's capabilities. From the menu, click on Measure Objects. This function is specifically built for instances where exactness is mandatory, providing several ways to calculate lengths and areas on your PDF. With Measure Objects active, a new toolbar will appear at the top. You need to click on the measuring tool to turn it on. Once selected, you are prepared to take measurements anywhere on the document. To adjust the scale, here is a helpful shortcut. Right-click on any part of the PDF page. This opens a context menu with various settings. Look for and select Change Scale Ratio and Precision. A dialog box will then pop up on your screen. In this window, you can set your preferred scale ratio. For example, you might input 1/100 to ensure the PDF measurements represent the correct real-world proportions. This is a vital step for maintaining accuracy. After you have typed in the desired ratio, just click the OK button. This confirms your configuration, and your scaled measurements are now active. Moving forward, any measurement you take in this file will accurately reflect real-world dimensions based on your settings. That wraps up our tutorial on scale ratios in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Keep this technique in mind for any project that requires high precision. Remember that you can return to these settings to make adjustments whenever necessary. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials.